Hi, in this video I will show you how to remove Bitmoji from the Snapchat. So if you want to remove your Bitmoji on the Snapchat, you can simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Snapchat mobile application and go to your chats from here. Now from here you have to click on the profile from the left top, and from here you have to click on the settings and scroll up. Now you have to search for the Bitmoji option here. Tap on it and you will see unlink my Bitmoji. Tap on it and click on the unlink. Now your Bitmoji will remove from your Snapchat account. So this is the way you can remove your Bitmoji on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.